Hey, so I wanted to share this challenge with you. It's something I did today on the Execute program, which is a pretty neat platform for learning to code. There's challenges, there's lessons. It's very practical and very awesome. I've enjoyed it so far. It's definitely worth checking out. This challenge was called Uniq. It's to write a function Uniq that takes an array and it should return a new array without any duplicate values, and it shouldn't change the original array. Uh, and you can see there I've declared the function, and I've also got two console logs, and down here I've got the comments to the side which are showing you the answers that you should be getting after you've written this function. I encourage you to try this before I share my solution. It's pretty neat because it brings together this function brings together a whole bunch of different JavaScript methods and logic, and it's really awesome. I found it really awesome to be able to bring a whole bunch of different things that I've been learning together to create a solution. So, spoiler, here comes the solution. I'm gonna first of all write some pseudocode, and I'm gonna start with because I want to create a new array. That's what I'm gonna do first. So I need to create a new array, a new empty array, and then I'm going to take the old array and iterate over the old array. So that just means look at every single element in the old array. And as I do that, I want to apply some more logic to each element. So I'm going to ask if the element I'm looking at is in the new array. If the new array is empty, of course it's not going to be, but as I fill it with values, if I'm looking, for example, the element I have right now, I'm looking at right now is one, and there's also a one in the new array. I'm not going to push. I'm not going to push the another one into the new array. So that's my final step is to if the element is not found in the new array, then I'm going to push the element to the new array. So there's one more thing in my pseudocode. I also actually want to return the array, the new array that is. I should change that to new array. So first thing I'm going to do here, let new array equal an empty array. And I'm going to iterate over this, not the new array, the old array. So I'm going to use the for each method, and the for each method that takes a function, so an arrow function. We're going to take those the curly bracket and the regular bracket and put it down here because I want my logic here to sit inside that that for each loop so that the logic is applied to every single element as I loop through the array. So I'm going to ask if, now I'm going to use the exclamation mark because I want to say if the element is not found in the new array. So I'm using the includes method for that to see if the element I'm iterating over is included. So that will search, the includes method will search through the new array and see if the element is found. If it's not found, I'm going to push. So that's why I moved my curly bracket, because now I'm going to actually push the element to the new array. So that's all of my logic. in there. That's all I need. And the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to return that new array because I actually want to have an output here. There's my answers. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every value, every element here is unique. So I should get 1, 2, 3, 4. Every value here, 1, 1, 1, 1 is the same. So I should just get 1 because as it's checking through the array, it's going to say, oh, it's already there. I'm not gonna push it to the new array. So there's my function. It's complete. So now if I hit run in the console, I get the answers I'm expecting, which is fantastic. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful, and see you again next time.